Just shout!
Just shout. I like it. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, and let's communicate. Leave some comments. Real quick before the video begins, here's a message from our sponsors, which is me. Welcome to my Tubebuddy tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get more views on YouTube with Tubebuddy. We'll be talking about how to use the description with the tags and how Tubebuddy will help us better understand how we're ranking and to get more views on YouTube using Tubebuddy. Please enjoy the video. Here I am, I'm on my own channel, the official channel of Just Sean, and I have Tubebuddy up right now. And you can see right on my channel, it gives me some very interesting stats. So when I come up every morning, I can see things like subscribers in the last 30 days. It's telling me I've gotten 45 subscribers in the last 30 days, and at the rate they came in every day. Before I got Tubebuddy, I didn't know anything. I wasn't getting a lot of subscribers. I was probably around 279 subscribers about 3.5, 4 months ago. And I started using Tubebuddy because I'm like, this SEO shit, I don't understand it. It's different than making a video. So I got Tubebuddy to help me out. And you see here, every morning I could log in, or anytime I do, I have Tubebuddy running. I can find out how many subscribers I had in the last 30 days, how many views I'm getting. So I'm averaging about the last 30 days, 2,230 views. So I open up Tubebuddy. You can see right here, I'll click on this, and it gives me all these little different things in here. You know, my videos, playlists, live streaming, comments, subscribers, blah, blah, blah. What I use a lot is just the Keyword Explorer. All right, so Keyword Explorer. So I want to explore some keywords. I want to find out. This is why I like Tubebuddy, because it's just simple to understand. So let me type in. So the process always starts with me with like, okay, I want to put my title that I'm thinking about in there. So I came up with a title, and I'm going to go ahead and paste that in there. And all it says is YouTube SEO strategy with Tubebuddy versus vidIQ. And it gives me an unweighted score of 79, which is very good. This is a very good score. This is it tells me right here, even though there's some competition, the search volume is high enough to make this a great keyword to target. Click on weighted tab above to see how your specific channel will likely perform for this keyword. Okay. And it's telling me, because my channel's small, for this particular keyword, it would be fair. It would be fair. Like when I was doing, when I do a lot of other videos, I will break this down into where I can get this a little bit closer to my weighted. However, because I'm using YouTube, now if I tried something like video SEO strategy, if I could fucking spell, and I'll hit Explorer, you can see that the weighted goes up, all right? And my unweighted is also in that yellow. So this might, because I'm using video and for weighted score. However, search volume sucks for this, see? And this is why that wouldn't work. But if I use YouTube, I'll get an unweighted score of 79 and a weighted score of 33. You see what I'm talking about here? I mean, it just helps me out. Also, when you have Tubebuddy installed through a Chrome extension on your... And they do let you have it for free now. There is a free version of this. I actually only pay $4.50 a month for this because I'm under 1,000 subscribers. would much rather pay the $19.99. So maybe you could subscribe. All right, so let's type in something. Let's type in YouTube SEO. Let's say tools. Let's see what we get. All right. So you can see right here, its search volume is about 8.6 thousand a month. So that's 8,600 a month. You see the estimated average number of times people search for this exact keyword on YouTube per month globally. Competition is poor. So you're like, you can do it this way too. You can see right here. Most used tags, YouTube SEO tools, YouTube keywords research, da 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 da. All right, so okay, I want to say use tools, vidIQ versus Tubebuddy. So you can see here your overall. This is your unweighted score it's giving you. It's fair. All right, so okay. Oh, okay. What if I say strategy? It went down. Everything went down, so that didn't work. So strategy isn't a. Maybe that's not one I want to use, right? What if I do that? All right, scores get a little higher. What if I got rid of SEO? Search went up. Good, good. There isn't much competition on this keyword. It says there isn't much competition on this keyword and enough search volume to make it a fair keyword to target. So what they're saying, it would be fair. It would be a fair keyword to target, but it's good, right? If I click my weighted score, you can see weighted is a 41. Unweighted is a 43. So it would be a good keyword to target. Well, I want to find it. I want to get to that. I want to get to that greed, baby. How do I get to that greed? All right, so another cool thing about this is it will show me my search rankings. So you can see here, TubeBuddy will help me get my search rankings by using the keyword tool. And I use the keyword tool for all of these to find, and you can see all the different ones. So I made sure I targeted them. And if you look in my description, I wrote a nice description with lots of space. So I basically took every keyword that I'm ranking for up here, if you really paid attention, and I made a sentence about it that had something to do with my video. I had made sure that I was using those keywords in the video as well. It's so important. However, being that it may, TubeBuddy lets me know how I'm ranking for those keywords by doing that technique with using the Keyword Explorer to find, good keywords. This is how TubeBuddy has helped me get more, and it's helped me get more views. What I've compiled here is a list of keywords that I will use in my description and tags. And I did the research on all these, and I'll real quickly, and you can see here, this will be my title, and there'll be tags, and they'll be in the description. I will put all of these keywords, and they're all long tail keywords, into the description, and I'll use these as tags. So real quick, let's jump over to TubeBuddy, and I'll show you how each of these came out and how why I decided to use them. Okay, I'm going to go through each of these keywords. The first one. All right, so my weighted score is fair. My unweighted score is good. Okay. It came out better than using TubeBuddy tutorial. So using TubeBuddy for YouTube tutorial was better for the beginning of my title. The next keyword, which is the second half of the title, YouTube tools for growing a YouTube channel. All right, now you can see weighted, really good, has really fair, good search volume. When I go to weighted, it actually increases from unweighted. This is something I'm looking for. I'm looking for that green, and I found it. This is a great keyword to use in the title, description, and tag. The next one. Here's the next one. How to grow a YouTube channel with TubeBuddy. And you can see weighted is good. It's a 47, unweighted. All right, this keyword will be used in the description and it will be a tag. I also have in there, because it's part of it, best SEO tools for your YouTube channel. And you see weighted 51. You can see unweighted 55. You see why I use these keywords. How to do keyword research on YouTube. You know, it has a weighted, it's fair, but it's unweighted as a 64. So you can see why I would throw that in my title and description, and I'll try to rank for this. And then the last one here, the best tool for YouTube creators. And you see unweighted is a 35, but my weighted goes to 40, and I found that interesting, so I thought I would throw that into my description and tags. It's helped me get more subscribers. I mean, and that's really what I'm after. Views and subscribers and likes is cool too. I mean, I would wish more people would like my video. I mean, it's kind of crazy that, you know, nearly 8,000 people watched this video and got mad information off of it, and I only got 292 likes. So that means there's like, you know, 675, 50, somewhere around there, complete assholes. Give me that like. Hey, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave me some comments. I really appreciate all of you that watched me. And also watch that other video over there.